In this video, we are focusing on how to upload leaves for employees. Leave means taking off on company working days like medical leave, personal leave, etc. If employee cannot apply or request his or her leave, the company can upload that leave. For this, go to Attendance, click on Upload Leaves. The leaves uploading here will be in approved status. That means when uploading leaves, all attendance record will show leave on that day and automatically the leave count will decrease from employee's leave. To upload leave, click New button. In this form, we can upload leave individually. First, choose an employee. Leave type. When you are selecting leave, leave balance will come automatically as we are set it in leave policy. Give leave start date. Then give leave start section. Here two options are there, first half and second half. Then give leave end date. If you are taking leave continuously from 10 to 12, give like this. Next, give leave end section. Here, we have given end section as second half. Means, if you give first half and second half only, this employee will show as full day leave. If you give both as first half or second half, it will show as half day leave only. Then, give reason. Once you are done, click Save button. Next is how to upload leave in bulk. For this, select month. Then select branch all option or particular branch. Then click download button. Here employee ID, company employee ID, employee name, all these three data will come automatically. Before entering data, click the help tab. Here the short name created in leave heads will show here. We have already discussed how to create short name in leave head video. In leave section, first half means 1 and second half is representing 2. Now we can upload leave. Allocated leaves only will show here. Enter leave type. Leave start date. Follow the same format. Leave start section. Enter leave end date. Leave end section. Give reason. Once you are done, save the file. To upload the file, click here. Click here to upload. Now, uploaded data will show here. To see the uploaded data, click Details. Here you can see the leave details. Leave status will show as approved or cancelled, etc. Like this, admin can manage employee leave details. Thank you.